Welcome back to our channel. Today I am very excited to show you the step-by-step process of how to properly clean the internal buzzer, which is the main sound speaker, located inside the Motorola Moto G5S Plus smartphone. So, we start by turning off the phone. The phone should never be on during cleaning. We need a brush with flexible bristles, either soft or medium hard, because if it's too hard, it will scratch your phone. We need pure isopropyl alcohol, which will help soften the dirt so it can be removed more easily from the speaker or buzzer openings, and then it will quickly evaporate without leaving any trace. You can buy these items, like the diffuser and the brush, as a set on Allegro or Amazon. And if you don't have one and are unable to buy one, you can just use a regular toothbrush. It just needs to be soft or medium hard, because if it's hard, it will scratch your phone. We thoroughly moisten the toothbrush with alcohol. We take the phone in our hand. This right here is our buzzer. We carefully clean the buzzer openings thoroughly, making sure to move the brush steadily over each opening 5 to 10 times in one direction. After we've done this 5 to 10 times in one direction, we repeat the same in the other direction. Do 5 to 10 times for each opening. And then a few times you can also go up and down. This is to clean the openings perfectly so the sound will be as good as new. Do the same in the opposite direction. Once you have finished the procedure, set your phone aside for a period of 10 to 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate, and then you can turn the phone back on and use it as you normally would. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would really appreciate a thumbs up, like subscriptions, and see you in my next video.